Here's a 2014 INFINITI Qx60. It's a family vehicle that's as much about the driver as it is the family. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, heated steering wheel, auto dimming rear view mirror, and continuously variable automatic transmission. This from Kelley Blue Book. Drivers will like the way the Qx60 accelerates up to speed sprightly, steers around corners responsively, and generally deals with the world's driving situations much better than would be expected. Driver-centric design puts you in the center of your automotive universe. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.